long. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're onto me, and all over me. I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I think I need here on the ground. But you're not a friend nor foe, though I can't seem to let you go. One thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down. You're keeping me down, yeah. You're on to me, you're on to me, and all over me. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long.
You have been absolutely the most lovely, amazing, sweet, wonderful audience tonight. Thank you so much. I feel so very lucky and so blessed that I get to take the stage and do what I love, and it's only possible because of you, so thank you for being here tonight.